So the Canon R6 Mark II is one of the most impressive mirrorless cameras out there, with a stunning image quality, lightning fast performance, and a host of innovative features. Is this the ultimate tool for photographers and videographers alike? Let's find out in this unboxing and first impression video. What is in the box? Manuals and documentations, which includes the camera's instruction manual, warranty information, and other relevant documents. Now, you also have the ABEiiiKU lithium battery pack, the rechargeable battery that powers the camera, CE6 battery charger. So this battery charger charges this battery inside the camera, and it's quite pretty simple to use. So if you want to really charge it, you just snap the battery over here and there you go. Then it starts to charge. So when you are charging it, it's going to display a flash of yellow or red light over here, and once it's done charging, it's going to give you a green light, which indicate that the battery is fully charged. If you want to remove it out, you just snap it out over here. So you're going to have is this shoulder or neck strap. So this camera strap that you have also here, so you can just strap it on your camera. If you travel around and all that, it will be a very good thing to have that would help you to carry your camera along. Finally, you have the Canon R6 Mark II. The build over here is just incredible and amazing, and I must say that the grip over here is quite premiumly done. The ergonomics of this camera is over the roof. It is one of the best that you have within the game. It is not sharp, it is smoothing, and you have this kind of pastel or this kind of grippy kind of sides, and so it helps you to really properly grip this camera intact. The grip is designed in such a way that naturally when your fingers fold at this angle, it helps the rest of the back of the fingers or the arms to properly rest at the back of the camera without interfering with all the buttons that you have at the back, and that is quite incredible. It is also smooth and all round around it, and that makes it a bit cold to the touch, which is really good. I think that Canon has the best grip in terms of their camera, so I don't think that it's even necessary that as a user, if you don't have to rig your camera, you don't need anything like a cage or anything like that, or a grip to make this one feel better. If you use a cage or anything like that, it's going to really interfere with the ergonomics of this camera, and that is something that I don't want to do now. I want to really feel it and have a good feel of it. At the right side, you have the SD card slot. So this camera houses two SD card slots, and so that means that it's pro level device, and so when you are recording, you can choose to have two SD card slots in it. And so when you have one of the SD card not functioning, you have one that serves as a backup, and that is really good, especially if you are working in a very fast-paced environment where sometimes anything can happen. If you have this, it will be very great. And on the bottom part, you also have the battery slots, which you have at the bottom part. So you have the battery slot, and I like the fact that Canon was able to separate the battery slots from the SD card slot, so that when you are recording, and then if you have any interruptions that you need to either change the battery or either change the SD card, you don't need to have to interfere with the other one, and that is quite practical as a standpoint from a user perspective, and I think that is really good. And this thing is just so amazing. It is really built like a tank, and I must say that I think for some strange reason I'm finding this camera to be a tad bit heavier than I anticipated it to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit more compact, but this thing is a bit bigger in size, and so if you have smaller hands, you have to look at how you are going to use it. But this thing is just so good in terms of the build. Talk about the full frame CMOS sensor at 24.2 effective megapixels. This camera is designed to capture incredibly sharp and detailed images, even in challenging and low light conditions. Whether you are shooting in indoors or outdoors conditions, the R6 Mark II promises top-notch image quality thanks to its CMOS image processor, which is also an autofocus, so CMOS AF, which is built into this sensor, and that makes this 24 megapixel sensor incredible at shooting in low light, because the lesser the megapixel count, sometimes it helps in low light situations and conditions. Powering this camera is the ABEiiiKU image processor, which not only enhances overall performance but also ensures that your images and videos come out sharp, high resolution, and minimal noise or grain. This means you can rely on the R6 Mark II for consistently impressive results no matter the shooting conditions. So the dual pixel CMOS on this and then the ABEiiiKU image processor are some of the latest that Canon has in their flagship, which is the R3. And so this ABEiiiKU processing on it that you have for the processor here is coming straight all the way from the higher, the more expensive Canon R3, which is about 3 times the price of this camera. So if you have that kind of engineering and innovation as well as mechanism built into the Canon R6 Mark II, that states it's why this camera is much more preferred choice and is one of the most high selling cameras that you can have in the market space. So if you are into capturing fast-paced action, the R6 Mark II won't disappoint. With electronic shutter speed up to 40 frames per second at 20 megapixel, you can freeze dynamic moments like athletes in motion, animals on the move, or even subtle changes in facial expressions for those perfect portrait shots. So when you are taking portrait shots and then you use this camera, it's going to really track the face and be able to get crisp images of the face. An amazing feature is the camera's ability to detect and track a wide range of subjects, from people and small animals like ants, bees, birds, to cars, trains, and aircraft. The R6 Mark II can automatically select the subject type, eliminating the need for manual switching and ensuring you never miss a crucial shot. Now, when it comes to the focusing of this camera is on another level. It automatically detects and focuses on a person's head, face, or eye, including the left or right eye, for precise portrait shots. Plus, it equally adapts at tracking the whole body, face, or eye of animals, ensuring fast and accurate focus every time. The focusing speed and the focusing capability on the R6 Mark II is exactly what you will find on the more expensive R3. And that is just stupendously incredible. I mean, it happens that instead of going to buy the most expensive one, you can choose to buy the one that is equally expensive, but then the price is quite on the relief point. Videographers will appreciate the R6 Mark II's capabilities, which shoots 6K oversampled uncropped video at 60 FPS. That is something that is very rare. It is very difficult to find it within this price bracket. I mean, one of the cameras that really competes with the R6 Mark II is a Sony a7 IV. But that camera is really incredible at shooting 33 megapixels. I mean, the resolution there is higher than this. But then it has a problem because it cannot shoot at 60 FPS without cropping in. So it can crop in by 1.3, and that is something that I think it's a bummer. It's a letdown, which made me to decide to go for this R6 Mark II. And this R6 Mark II also shoots full HD high frame rate recording at up to 180 FPS without compromising anything. Another important thing that I've realized with this is that it shoots without overheating. And so I tried a preliminary shot with this at about 45 minutes non-stop recording, and it didn't even get warm within the body, let alone to think about it overheating. This R6 Mark II is also impressive for the fact that it can record without stopping. So the only problem that you are going to have is that probably your SD card is going to be full up or your battery is going to exhaust. Without that, this camera is going to continually record unlimited. This is one of the problems that the R6, the original R6 had, which necessitated for the R6 Mark II to come into the industry or the market. The R5, which is a much more expensive device than the R6 Mark II, also has that problem. So I think that Canon is very wise with bringing the R6 Mark II in such a way that it helps to restore confidence in consumers. I mean, people who use Canon a lot complain consistently about the recording limit on the cameras, but this R6 Mark II does away with that, and that makes it an incredible thing for videographers who want to record at events, weddings, portrait shots, record at interviews, documentaries, and even filmmaking. This thing is just stupendous at unlimited recording capability. You see, there's little to less compromise on this camera. Canon hasn't skipped on connectivity either. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5 technology make it a breeze to share your photos and videos to social networks using the Canon Camera Connect app. And if you want to really transfer files at a lightning fast rate, there's a 10 gigabit speed rate which you can use the USB-C port on this to connect. Compose your shots with ease using the 3 inches LCD display at the back, which has a 1.6 million dot screen, and this variable touch screen is really good because it is touch, and so you can control all your settings using the touch points at the back of the LCD screen, and that is something that is really amazing. I think Canon was one of the first camera brands to introduce the variable touchscreen LCD display at the back of the camera, and that's made it to become one of the classics of the time and still going strong. Its versatility allows you to really shoot from diverse or multi angles without missing any shot of any kind. This viewfinder over here is a 0.5 inches OLED EVF with 3.69 million dots at a 120 fps refresh rate, and then this screen over here is very bright, sharp and vivid, which enables for precise composition. And I think that this is one of the things that you really need if you want to shoot pro grade. I know that it's not really everyone's cup of tea to have this on their cameras, but I think that Canon having this and it's an OLED screen makes it much more precise in terms of you composing your shots, and using this viewfinder over here, which is the EVF, makes it quite incredible. I'm going to show you a few sample videos and images out of this without any settings or anything or tweaking any settings. This is coming straight out of this. Canon R6 Mark II packs a punch with its impressive specs and features, from its powerful sensor and processor to its advanced focusing capabilities and versatile connectivity option. This camera can be game changer for both enthusiasts and pro photographers and videographers. This Canon R6 Mark II is one of the best investment that anyone can make in terms of either going to pro level of videography business or even making content on the internet. Like this content, subscribe to the channel, like my videos, share, and see you in the next video.